This morning, Bella and I are going for 2 first to finds on a little trail. Come join us. Got some major construction work going on here. This is a little half-mile interpretive nature walk, and like the sign says, it is in the burn area, and that's why they need to put out new geocaches. Here's one of the hazards they were talking about. That's a tree that fell across the trail, and it fell right up there. Spotted the geocache over here by these rocks. Not out of the realm of possibility that the wolf came in here and got it. So let's see if we got the first to find. All right, Bella, here we go. Moment of truth. Clean log. First to find. So that's it. Got the name of the log. We're going to put this one back and go see if we get the other one. This took way too long to find. It was really simple and I just looked all the wrong places. But let's check it out. Blank log, first to find. So Mr. DSW and Bad Feet, thanks for setting these. For the rest of you, thanks for joining us. So with Bella, I will have to carry her away from the car, but she will walk nicely back to the car.